Good morning, everyone. This is Prem's crypto market update for February 24th, 2019. Welcome, everyone. The market is up at 143 billion, meaning 8 billion has come in the last 24 hours. We see volumes of 31 billion and BTC dominance has come down to 51.4%. Now, if you look at Bitcoin, it's hovering around the $4,100 level. It's here on CoinMarketCap, 41.94, doing is 5% up basically for the day. But if we look at the top 10, we can see Ethereum up 11%, doing $164. EOS up 11%, doing $4.29. So yeah, these are the big gainers basically in the top 10. The full top 10 is in the green, except for Tether, but they are still doing $1.01. Now let's look at the coins which have done really well. We can see Safe up 62%, Electroneum up 17%, Ontology up 17%, Nexo 16%, and Digibyte 16%. The coins which have not done that well are Quant. They are 5% down, Quash 3% down, PundiX 3% down, and then it basically comes to the stable coins. Now let's have a look what's going on in the charts. We can see basically that the candles are just moving upwards. So RSI again extremely high at 80%. Stochastics going sideways right now. So let's see how the market is going to develop. The news comes from Samsung. The South Korean company is basically, breaking into a global crypto adoption by, earlier this year, basically, they were doing ASIC mining chips, basically. And right now, they are also a big believer of cryptocurrencies and Ergo. And with the launch of their S10, they are really differentiating from other big brands like Apple and LG, for that matter, by bringing a support for your private keys on your Galaxy S10. So I think this is really fantastic news that this is happening. Samsung is bringing crypto wallets to non-crypto people, and that is basically the big news. And these wallets will increase basically blockchain adoption throughout by having your keys on your mobile phone. So I think it's not only a cool factor, but it's really pacing out what the competition is doing. HTC came out with the Exodus, but we've not seen much of the phone as of now. And of course, it is that we are using already things like Apple Pay and Google Pay, which will give in the future even more the enhancement to be able to do with crypto, like companies like 10x and Crypto.com and BitPay and Shift. So I think this is definitely a trend which I'm seeing, and I'm very glad that Samsung is stepping into this market as a big manufacturer of new telephones. All right, and the next news comes from basically, they are talking about that there is a huge drop basically in crypto market, but the M&A deals are set to have new records. I think this is fantastic news that seeing the crypto market basically come down. But if you look at the data by PitchBook, a financial database for investors, we can see basically that 353 million of deals have been done in the crypto market despite the market. All right, then the next news is about Kenya. Kenya's adoption towards crypto trading has put Kenyan government and central bank on discussing about the regulation of this. In March of 2018, the Central Bank of Kenya warned the general public about cryptocurrency investments, but despite that, the market had really grown. Kenya is also known as the Silicon Valley of Africa, and I think they're basically the adoption of cryptocurrencies is going at a very high speed. All right, this was the news for today. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Go to our website, bitcoinmagazine.nl, and I hope to see you on the next one.